And all them crows with their strange mournful cries below us lows and the grand soaring heights, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. Through all them shadowy firefly streets and all them lying servants in their parliamentary seats, through all the frozen hearted warlords and thieves, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And so when you go down that dark foggy road, if there's one thing that you know, when you're out in the cold with all the warmth my devoted heart holds, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. All the gloom in these West Coast rains and all them lonely faces that rush out subway trains, the things that you know deeply but can never be explained, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And so when you go, take this promise for the road. If there's one thing that you know, when you're out there all alone, with all the warmth my devoted heart holds, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. When our love was young and so full of promise, with so much to come, up around the bend, a lottery won, so blissful and honest. I wish I could hold that feeling again. How did we drift so far from the sun? The days had a shimmer when our love was young. The spring skies were bluer, the poetry truer, the mountains majestic, and loneliness rare. Dreams have been mangled like Christmas lights tangled, flickering and dimming like unanswered prayers. And now it feels late, and under the gun, it always felt early when our love was young. When our love was young. Then I was careful, unburdened and cheerful. You brought out a glowing rendition of me. How things get so hateful, so dull and ungrateful, craving clear moments of serenity. In a universe split